Nôl at Scotcher. Chwarae am yneddgar eto gan Hwlffordd, y bêl i mewn teg at Jazz Richards. Ni'n syrthio i Jordan Davies. Nôl at Jazz Richards. Davies yn croesi, teg at y postyn Cefn! Ryan George efo'r peniad. A hanner ffordd drwy'r hanner cynta. Mae Hwlffordd wedi mynd ar y blaen. Lambert yn rhoi'r bêl i ffwrdd. Fawcett. Groeso do ar draws wyneb y gol! A Jazz Richards oedd ar y postyn pella a sy'n troi y bêl i mewn. Ac yn 20 oed, efo mor o brofiad, mae Jazz Richards o'r diwedd wedi sgorio i gol gynta erioed. Henry Jones. Pas hir letraws ganddo fo. Teg at Ryan George. George yn croesi ar y cynnig cynta. A mae yna gic o'r smotyn. Ond na dynnu Cris gan Nacho Torres. Yn ddiangen braidd. Glaw wedi peidio. Cyn i Jordan Davies gymryd y gic o'r smotyn. Ac am y pedwerydd tro y tymor yma. Mae Jordan Davies yn sgorio, a mae 2 o'i golia fo wedi bod yn erbyn y Derwyddon. Larrick Jones o dan bwysa, ac i mewn yn galad ar Charlie Edge. Y dyfarnwr yn mynd i'w bocad, ac yn dangos cardyn melyn i Larrick Jones. Iwan Evans i gymryd y gic. A mae mewn! Dros y wal, y ffordd ath y bêl hedfan drwy'r awyr, thi dwyllo Leedsy, a fo y golwr profiadol wedi symud un ffordd, ath y bêl ffordd arall, yn y legedyn obaith i'r Derwyddon. Jazz Richards. Ymlaen at Davies. Richards yn oedd eto yn cael y bêl. Henry Jones. Canfo Jordan Davies, Davies mewn at Fawcett. A mi o'na dacl hwyr, o'na drosedd. A mae'n ail gic o'r smotyn yn mynd i fod i Hwlffordd. Jordan Davies yn erbyn Rhys Williams unwaith eto. A tro yma, ath Davies y ffordd arall. A gyrru Rhys Williams y ffordd anghywir. Ac ychydig cyn yr hanner, mae mantais Hwlffordd yn ôl i 2 gol. Mae'n 4-1. Lambert. Yn ildio'r meddiant i Jordan Davies. Bêl yn ôl at Jazz Richards. Oedd oedd rioed i sgorio yn ei yrfa cyn heddiw. A jes cyn hanner amser, mae o'n canfod yr hwyd am yr ail waith. A mae bellach yn 5-1 i'r ymwelwyr. Bêl yn syrthio i Jordan Davies ar ochr y cwrt Cosby. I ergyd o. Yn cael ei arbed gan Rhys Williams. Ond i'r peryg ddim drosodd eto. Coesod o draws. Yna honiad. Byna lawiad yna. Chwaraewch ymlaen með y dyfarnwr. Ryan George yn cael y bêl yn ôl. A di heb gael ei chlirio. A peniad Davies yn cael ei arbed yn wych gan Rhys Williams reit ar y lein. A Jordan Davies yn meddwl bod e wedi cael ei hat-trick. Digonedd o le, chwarae mae'r cae. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd i fynd i'w bocad y fan hyn. A ddi yn dacl galad. Cardyn melyn fydd hi. A mae Larrick Jones hefyd yn mynd i lyfr y dyfarnwr am gwyno. A mae Ryan Kenny, y dyfarnwr, yn mynd nôl i'w bocad. A di gyrru a Larrick Jones o'r cae. A hwnna yn hollol ddiangen. Danny Williams i baso yn canfod tŵr o'i Cisse. Cisse ebyn y golwr. A'i ergyd o yn syth at Rhys Williams. A hwnna di'r ail gyfla. Mae'r eilydd wedi gael o fewn ychydig funuda. Ricky Watts. Watts yn codi'r bêl. At Danny Williams. Williams ar draws. A Williams di mynd i'r llawr. A mae'n mynd i fod yn drydydd cic o'r smotyn I Hwlffordd. Ac yn fwy na hynny, mae'n ail gardyn melyn I Nacho Torres. A mae'r ddau dîm yn mynd I orffan efo 10-1. A dyma chi stori di hon. Cyfle I Jazz Richards I gwblhau hat-trick. A mae'n gwneud hynny. A fe Jazz Richards yn cymryd ar bêl adre fo fo. Mae'n 6-1 I Hwlffordd.
Jazz, it's your birthday on Tuesday, you're 31. As a birthday present to yourself, you've decided to finally open your account for career goals. One afternoon.
Yeah, good performance from the boys. It was good to get on the score sheet. That's what the manager wants from our full-backs, to get on, get in the box and try and grab a goal or an assist. And Willie's been doing it for us. Ryan have scored a few, so I thought today get forward a bit more and try and put a ball in the back of the net, and thankfully I got 3.
In injury time, having scored 2, you got that opportunity to complete your hat-trick. You looked absolutely nerveless.
Nerveless?
Nerveless, yeah.
That's what it is, isn't it? Confidence. You go on about people who score goals and they keep coming. So, the lads were playing well. Everyone was playing with confidence, and I was myself. So I think a few people wanted it, but there was no chance I was stepping up to that.
Jazz is enjoying himself in the club and in the team, and we talk a lot with him. And if you see that the Jazz is laughing, you know it's good. And our fullbacks know that they can be part of the offensive side, and it's not only Jazz, because Ryan George scored the first goal, so it are both wing backs who scored the goal today, and that pleases me, because this is also what we're asking from them. So it takes a lot of energy from them, but when you score 4 goals out of 6 of your wing backs, then you can be happy and satisfied.
If you don't concede them stupid 3 penalties, you're actually in a game of football, and we've had a few chances second half. I wouldn't say we've opened them up. We've had a few chances, and Reece has made a couple of decent saves second half. It was actually quite a good game second half, but the first half was bizarre. But what we've got to do is we got to create footballers that are steely and mentally tough, and it is hard when you bottom the league and your fate's been cast, if you like, but there's pride and there's enthusiasm, there's pride and there's wanting to win and wanting to do well for yourself, and that second half showed that.